Hey guys, in this video we are going to check the internet connection of our device. First of all, we need to install a package from pub.do. Okay, let us search for the package connectivity. Yes, this is the one. Here, let's go for the installing. Let us add this to our project pubspec.yml file. Okay, let me delete all these unwanted stuff. Okay, new file. Uh, check connection dot. Let us import material dot and even this package. Okay, let us create a state full widget named check connection, returning a scaffold. App bar. Okay, let me add a body. Okay, now we are going to place a button at the center of the page, so that if we press the button we would come to know if our device is connected or not connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, mobile data or something like that. Body, let me create a button, elevated button on pressed. Just for now, let me do this as null or something like that. Okay. Child, let me give an icons dot style Wi-Fi. Yes, we have icon named Wi-Fi. Now we are going to create a function named check the internet. Okay, first we need to link the two pages. What is the name of this page? This is unwanted, let me delete this. Okay, check connection. Here the home, check connection. Yes, it automatically imports the package for me. If I run this, okay, there is no yes. Okay, there is an icon here. We need this icon in the center of the page, so let me grab this icon. Okay, let me grab this elevated button, the widget center. Let us give this icon a height of size of 200. As there is no other widgets in this page. Okay, now let's come to this function. This is our sync function, so let me give this a sync variable. Let us give this variable a name connection is equals to await connectivity dot check connectivity. Okay, if this connection is equals to connectivity result dot none. If there is no internet connection, we need to return something okay, let me return a dialog box. There is a dialog box named awesome dialog AWE. Yes, awesome dialog. Here, let me install this to my project, to use in my project. Even this. Let us return this awesome dialog, context, comma, title, not connected to internet. Okay, dialog type dot error. Yes, the dialog type dot error as there is no internet connection. And then animation type, I think anim type, yes, anim type dot top slide. Okay, your dot show. Okay, else we are going to return we are going to return the same thing but connected to internet. And here the top slide, not right slide. Okay, what would happen if I run this? Oh, okay, check. We need to give this function in on pressed. Check the internet. Okay, if I run this, what would I do? Okay. Oh, we need to change this to dot success. Yes. If I run this, okay. Yes, connected to internet. If I am turning off the Wi-Fi, now it is not connected to internet. This animation is due to this awesome dialog. Okay, there would be a question for you that to check the Wi-Fi, why I need to develop an app. For this app is just to show that we can check the internet connection through our app. We can use this connectivity package in our app in places like to display a error page. If our app is totally based on the internet connection, and then we need to display a error page that there is no internet to show the content. need to turn on the internet. During this time we can use this package to check the internet connection and to show some widgets like this dialog box not connected to internet. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Now connected to internet. And that's all for today. Let's meet again in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.